teach you how to MIG weld. MIG stands for metal inert gas welding. MIG welding means a method of welding in which the filler metal wire supplies the electric current to maintain the arc, which is shielded from the access of air by the inert gas, usually argon.
The type of gas we will be using is called shielding gas, which is 75% argon and 25% oxygen.
We will be using a Miller 250X wire feed Miller welder.
What we need to wear are a big oversized shirt, jeans, socks and tennis shoes, earplugs, a backwards hat, glasses, and a safety helmet. Mask.
Go.
The welder we will be using is the Miller 250X wire feeder welder.
And that's the wire. This is the wire thickness, this is the voltage, and then this is the gas.
We will be using these wire cutters, the plier things, scrap metal, and the gun, and you squeeze it and the wire comes out. Okay, let's get started.
Before you weld, you have to clean the metal.
To clean the metal, grind or brush off the top layer.
Put the two pieces of metal in place. This is called lap welding.
Hold the gun really close and make small up and down movements.
That was good.